Introducing the new Sinolift G-Series IC Counterbalance Forklift. Elaborate and modern-looking in design, the Sinolift G-Series combines comfort, ease of use, and world-class technology to deliver an enjoyable driving experience. The forklift is designed to maximize operator comfort, from a quick and easy entry thanks to the wide footstep and large hand grip, to a spacious cabin and ergonomic dash layout. The G-Series forklift sports an isolated operator cell with an adjustable steering wheel, vibration-free seating, and soft-touch accelerator and brake pedals to offer fatigue-free operation at all times. Excellent all-directional visibility makes lifting and driving stress-free for the operator, along with sufficient lighting for added visibility in dark areas and for safety in the work environment. With an enhanced stability design thanks to a low center of gravity and a significantly larger front wheel, operators will enjoy a smooth driving experience. The Sinolift G-Series forklift's drivetrain is powered by an ingenious, powerful engine, along with an automatic torque-converting transmission and inching control for precise load and truck movements, all while staying environmentally friendly. When traveling over humps or uneven ground, the pitching control absorbs vibration and reduces mast shaking, helping to protect the load. The G-Series achieves some of the best lift capacities in its class, varying from 1.5 tons to 3.5 tons, and a maximum lift height of up to 6,000 millimeters. The customer can choose optional attachments such as a side-shifting fork, a circumrotatory fork, a hinged bucket, paper roll clamps, a hinged fork, and more. Whatever the application, the G-Series has been designed with productivity and safety in mind, with all the latest features you'd expect in modern forklifts to the brand new productivity-boosting innovations that will speed up your workflow. Get more done with the Sinolift G-Series internal combustion lift trucks.